there is one faculty member, Sriman sir is already there. In the same domain, there is another faculty came into the DURGASOFT, top faculty. I have full respect her. But the problem here is, this person just the academic background, but Sriman sir is the real-time expert. Real-time expert. If he announced the spring batch, all the people from his class moving to Sriman sir batch. Then immediately, we actually, I'm not having that much maturity level. This was happening in the 2014-15. At that time, I don't know much management skill, much maturity levels, I don't know. Then I told, even that person pointed, okay, sir, this is the thing which is happening. Like, okay, nothing, sir, just we will. Forever. So the people who required you, they will come to you. The people who required him, they will go there. Okay, like I told. You know, at last, he left DURGASOFT. We provided 4.3 lakhs or 4.5 lakhs per month salary. How much?
4.3 lakhs.
4.3 or 4.5? 4.5, 4.5 lakh per month we provided salary. But the same person joined somewhere for how much salary do you know? 2 lakhs only. 2 lakhs only. Then I asked her, sir, please stay here like that. Then that person told her, my value is down day by day if I work here because of so and so factor. Because in front of him, he is not in a position to stay. Observe that. So the point is, the people won't work only for money. Recognition must be required. Importance must be required. Appreciation must be required. Okay, like if this knowledge is there at that time, then simply I can do. Sir, this area, you can run like anything. You can swim like anything. This area, this person is going to swim. No conflict at all between you people. Happily both together, you will be with the DURGASOFT only like I can. But I don't know. That maturity level, I don't know that those days. Remember.